Justin Lofton out here at Barstow, California doing Monster Seal tire sealing demos. We're going to hammer 9 of these spikes into the left rear of my BF Goodrich racing tires. Let's do this. Sure enough, when we pulled it out, Monster Seal tire sealant came right up to it, sealed the hole, and we went out, put 30 miles on the truck, and came back, and we still have a tire. You know, flat tires, make or break races. And the difference, in having Monster Seal tire sealant and not having it is it might be 5 miles. And if you can change a tire in a pit versus having to get out and have a 3, 4, 5 minute stop on the side of the road, that's 3, 4, 5 positions in the trick truck class these days. And that's the difference between an overall and coming home in second place. You'd only purposely puncture your own tire with confidence, and that's one thing I have with Monster Seal. I would not race without Monster Seal on my tires.